Stop scrolling. This giant bird can outrun most humans without even flying. If you love amazing animal facts, hit like, subscribe, and tell me if you'd race this bird. Meet the ostrich, the Wild West sheriff of the bird world. Even though it can't fly, it can run up to incredible speeds using its powerful legs. An ostrich can also deliver a strong kick when threatened, making predators think twice. While other birds take to the skies, this giant runner prefers to win races on the ground. So be honest, if an ostrich challenged you to a race, would you even stand a chance?